Video, I want to show you how to make a leap year detector in Python. So let's get started. So before we create this program, I just want to give you a little explanation on what a leap year really is. So a leap year it occurs every 4 years, and basically it adds one more day to February, which increases one more day to the whole year, because it adds one more day to February. Normally, February 28th is the last day of the February. That's last. February 28th is the last. But on leap year, usually then it would be February 29th is the last. So let's just start coding. So how this will work is we'll ask the person to enter a year and check if it is a leap year or not. So first what you want to do is create a new variable. Call it user_input and make it equal to, type in the word int, that stands for int, which stands for integer, and here type in input. And then what you want to do is just put in these quotes. Doesn't matter, single quotes or double quotes are good, as long as they're same on both sides. So then what you want to do is type in enter a number. You want to add colon and space. Then add an if block, and then type user input modulus 4 is equal to 0. Print the user input, comma, is a leap year. Sorry for my spelling mistakes. And then, sorry, you need 2 equal signs there. And now what you want to do is type in else colon print the user input, comma, is not a leap year. So now, if you're using Python, you want to make sure you add a blank line at the end of your code. Now, if I just run this, just open the terminal and type in Python 3 and type in the name of your file. In my case, it's leap year. And this is very important. You want to add a period and type in PY. Enter. Hold on, what is that thing? Okay. Sorry, that was a goof. You can't have spaces unless you use this button. So I'm just going to move that up. So ask me to enter a number 5. 5 is not, 2024. If I press enter, 2024 is a leap year. But if I do something, for example, this year, because it's on leap year, 2023, 2023 is not a leap year. So that is it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon on the top right corner if you want to get notified from the rest of my videos. Bye!